What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting the bushings in the rear suspension, and then we're going to be putting it in the car. So since they're poly bushings, we're going to have to lube them up before we put them in. So I got this lube here. Okay, so this is the multi-purpose synthetic super lube. I looked it up, and the best lube to have for poly bushings is the PTFE synthetic. We'll lube this up quickly. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to take some lube on my finger, and then we're going to lube it up around the bushing here on the edge before we slide it in.
Yeah, that's the money. That's the B-roll money shot right there.
So basically just make sure they're all lubed up around the surface where it's going to be sliding on the subframe. So
I'm bucking out.
So currently, we're not having a very fun time doing these.
You look fucking terrible right now.
I'm not gonna lie right now. Oh! Oh! Oh god. Oh my god. Dude, look at my hand. It's moistened. Smooth, nice and tight, nice and tight, just like my.
Wait a minute.
Huh.
Hold on. That looks good, but what happened to that? You're terrible. You're a terrible actor.
How did I get this car, man? I spent all my money on the car. That's what I'm putting bushings in it. This is fucking crap. It's focused. What's up, guys? We got it to the shop. We got all the parts to the shop. Dip. What's up, guys? We got the parts in the shop to the shop. We're gonna put the parts in now in the car. Let's get this shit going. First of all, got a new addition to the parts team. We got some adjustable camera arms. These are race spec, high quality camera arms, as you can see. Because once we're lower, we gotta have zero camber in the rear because we're gonna be loyal. We're gonna be lowered on these Max Peating rods, custom coilovers. So this is gonna complete the rear end. The rear end is gonna be complete. It's gonna be completely complete. Now, let's try and get directions. See how many of those. Alright. Okay. So here we go. We got some coilovers, BC Racing BRs. Oh. Here they are. I was trying to stay budget, but I mean these are like kind of budget relative to other coilovers, like nicer ones, but the parts you can take off the car I wanted to get nice ones of because then I can transfer them or sell them when I inevitably need money after I spend it all on this car and I actually need to spend money on food or something. I can sell those, so that would be nice.
What spring rate did you get them in? Or what is spring?
Oh.
You got coils and you don't know what rate?
They're just the default, they're just the, I'm pretty sure it's 8K and 10K. Whatever the default BC Racing spring rates are for this chassis, E46. So that's what I got. So we're going to be putting, today in this video we're just going to be putting the rears in because this is all about buttoning up the rear suspension. So first, we're going to take care of some surface rust, and then we're going to put the subframe and the diff in. There's no room. Let's put that right there.
That's a unit.
I miss getting shit in my eyes. I love it. Feels really good when rust gets in my eye. It's nothing.
There's dead space.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
We're good.
Sure.
You nut. Should be. Both the studs are in.
Yeah, it is. This thing is rim.
Since we have adjustable camber arms now, I'm just going to roughly match the length of this with the adjustables so the alignment's not too far off when we put them in. And then we can always adjust it later on once we lower the car. We f***ed ourselves in the if you're doing this, you got to install these lower arms first because this bolt, you're not going to have enough clearance to get this bolt in here with the diff in here. So either you have to have the diff out or just put these in first. But what we did was we took out these front bolts here in the diff, then we loosened the back one, and then if we moved it all the way up, and then we just had barely enough clearance to get that bolt in there. So it's good now, but it was f***ed. This better be the last time I torque these bolts, or else I'm gonna lose it. Oh. Dude, the amount of shit that's in my fucking way. Nope. You demon. Give you one click. Got it. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. The torque wrench is stuck, dude. It's wedged. The diff is in for good. The subframe is in for good. Yeah, that's the right terminology. Can you actually get me a zip tie?
Yeah, there's two behind you.
Oh, look at that. Look at those colors.
Yeah. You know what it is.
No, that is gross. I hate the Packers.
What you got on what you got on your head right there?
Yo, mama. It's the wrong way. Clementine. Alright. The rust is all falling. There, that's pretty good. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Not bad.
Alright.